Hey, it's James at Falcons Fury Harley Davidson, and today we are going to look at the Daymaker Headlight. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of it and one of your older school halogen lights, and I'll show you just how much safer it is to ride with a new LED headlight. Stick around and we'll go over it. Okay, so here I am with two bikes. On my right is a Sportster with the traditional halogen light. On my left is a brand new street bulb that we just loaded off the truck actually, with the LED Daymaker headlight. In the light, where we are right now, you can see the difference is significant. If I put my hand up, you get a yellow glow over here. Over here, it's a pure white. Which is why it's called the Daymaker. It makes night like day. If we dim the lights, the difference is even more drastic. Okay, so now we're in the dark, and the more observant of you might notice that the street bulb has morphed into a lowrider S. That is the magic of television, and also when somebody needs something that I have. And right off the bat, you can see the difference a Daymaker makes. The light coming from that is significantly brighter. It's also a much wider beam as well, so it gives you much more visibility of the road. I'll jump on both the bikes in a second and give you an idea of what it looks like looking out. Okay, so now we're looking out with absolutely no lights on at all. First I'm going to turn on the halogen lights from the Sportster. You can see there they give a relatively good visibility, but there's definite yellow glow to it, and the beam is not particularly wide, it's very focused, particularly on that white cooler there. Next we'll move to the Daymaker headlight and just show you what kind of difference you can get with this. Instantly you can see a massively wider beam of light. It's much whiter, and it just gives you, well, significant more visibility. And think about this on the road. If you can see that much more of the road, it's much safer for you, but if you can also see that much more of the road, think about people coming towards you. You are a lot more visible to them. And there's that halogen light again, just so you can see the absolute massive difference. So if you do not have a Daymaker on your motorcycle, I highly recommend you get one. It increases visibility, which increases safety, and they just look really cool. And there is one of our friendly techs walking in the light. You can see how beautiful he looked in the light. It was like he was on stage. It was incredible.